Hello friends, I welcome you again with a new video. In this video, we will come to know about the 10 terms that are commonly used in mutual fund. So let's start the video. 10 terms commonly used in the mutual fund. The first term is net asset value or NAV. The NAV represents the per unit market value of a mutual fund's assets minus its liabilities. It is the price at which investors buy and sell mutual fund units. Expense ratio. This is the percentage of a fund's assets that are used to cover the operating expenses of the fund, including management fees, administrative costs and other expenses. Diversification. Diversification involves spreading investments within a portfolio to reduce risk. Mutual funds typically achieve this by holding a wide range of securities. Load. A load is a sales charge or commission that investors may pay when buying or selling mutual funds. Loads can be entry load or exit load. Asset allocation. This refers to the strategy of spreading a fund's investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents to achieve a specific risk and return profile. Benchmark index. A benchmark index is a standard against which a fund's performance is measured. Liquidity. Liquidity is the ease with which an investor can buy or sell mutual fund shares. Highly liquid funds are easily tradable, while less liquid funds may have restrictions on redemptions. Distribution yield. The distribution yield is the income paid out by a mutual fund to its investors, expressed as a percentage of the fund's NAV. NAV or net asset value is the market value of securities of a scheme divided by the total number of units of the scheme on a given date. AMC or asset management company is a company that pools funds from the investors and invests in different available options as per the investment objective of the investors. Thank you.